Hello, in today's session I will show you how easy it is to install Commando VM from Mandiant in OCI. So first step that I need to do is to go to my menu, click on compute, go to instances and create my first Windows machine that will be used for that. So I'll click create instance. I will name it Commando VM. I don't care where it is installed. Okay, I will not change anything to the security, but I will change the OS system, and I'll click Windows, and I will select Windows 2019 for this machine. Okay, standard edition. I will accept the licensing terms, and I will update the number of CPUs to at least 2 for this, because I plan to install also other attack options in there. One nice thing that you're gonna see it in here on the right is the cost estimation part. That will tell me how much this instance will cost on the OCI. Okay, so now in here I will select also the VCN where I want to install it, because I want to make it also in a private VCN. I will select the private subnet that I have in here. I don't need the public IP address. The credential will appear at the end. Other thing that I want to do from the beginning is to increase the size of the boot volume of the OS volume to 150 GB, and maybe give you some more VPUs. Increase a little bit the VPU performance. Okay, so in here everything it is enabled. I want to do also another thing in here. I want to enable the vulnerability scanner for that instance from the beginning, and that's it. I have to press create. Now it's gonna take a few more minutes for this instance to be created, and after that I will SSH directly to it. So I will pause it until the provisioning is finished and continue from that point. I have selected the Windows Server 2019 as the OS. Mandiant says that you need to have a Windows 10, but this works perfectly as in the backend is the same platform. It looks like that the instance was created. I will take the private IP of the machine. I'll copy it. I'll open my machine here. I'll create a new session on mobile extern. This time it's gonna be an RTP one. Remote hosted that. OPC is the machine, and now I'll press OK. Okay, it's asking me for the user OPC password. Okay, now I need to go back in here. It is the initial password that I'll copy it. I'll put it in here, and now Windows will ask me to change the password before signing in. I'll put the new password in here. Okay, but I need to also enter this old password manually. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on right in here, so I'll be able to copy it manually. Hopefully I write it okay. So I written okay. So now I will go up. I increase this, and now I'm connected to that machine. Before starting installation of Commando VM, it is recommended to disable antivirus. For that, what I can do, I can go to policies, group policies. In here you need to look at the computer configuration part, on the left. I'll increase a little bit this one. Okay, in here you have some administrative templates. You press on the arrow, and in here you need to go to Windows Components, and in Windows Components search for Microsoft Defender Antivirus. So Windows Components. installation. Yeah, Windows Defender Antivirus. Okay, so in here you see turn off Windows Defender Antivirus. Yeah, double click on it. Yeah, select disable, press apply. Okay, let's reboot the instance, so that will apply, and we'll continue after yeah, the machine starts. I'll pause it again. Okay, the machine has restarted. So now what I can do, I can go to install maybe Chrome or Firefox. Yeah, so let's search for it. Yeah, because Internet Explorer has many requirements, or even Edge. Yeah, so I'll install an additional browser for this. I will accept the browser request. Save it. Run it. So okay, so it started. I can go to this, start without syncing my data, continue without using, confirm, and start browsing. So now what I need to do, I need to go to github.com/firei, and in here commando -vm. I forgot an N in here. Okay, so I have this one. Yeah, this is the page. Even if it is an older image, as you can see here, the commits and so on, yeah, the image is working fine. I will download the zip on my computer. I'll wait for it to finish. I can go to downloads now. It's finished. I will extract this one. Okay, now I need to start a PowerShell. I'll start this one, Windows PowerShell, as administrator. It's really important to be administrator on this. Okay, after this is uncompressed, I go to the folder, I copy the full path of it. Okay, I'll go in here, change directory, go to that folder now. Okay, other thing that is important is to set execution policy. What? Okay, yeah, set execution policy. You can press tab here to autocomplete. Unrestricted, press enter. Okay, I agree with this. Okay, and now what I need to do is to start the installation script that you see it in here, install, and I will do that by running this command /install ps1. Okay, and press enter. I agree with everything, and I press R, yeah, instead of Y. Now there's certain things that needs to be done in the backend, yeah, so they are asking this, and I did this before, yeah, so the Windows Defender was done, so I will not need to do that. It's doing again the checking. As you can see, the OS system, it is supported. Okay, I have 60 GB. I will increase it later, yeah, because I want more of this, so it's more than enough for this point. Do you need to take a snapshot? Yeah, no, because this is a new image and I don't need anything else. Now I need to enter my administrator account password, yeah, the one that we set it at the beginning for the OPC user. Okay, and after that the installation will start. As you can see, this is 100% unintended installation, and it will need to restart the machine multiple times. Okay, so that's why I will pause it, yeah, the recording. I will resume it from time to time, yeah, to see what's happening. Usually takes more than 30 minutes to do this type of installation, so that's why we'll not stay to see everything, but yeah, from time to time I will give you more hints. Okay, thank you, see you later. As you can see on this page, some initial installation were done. So Chocolati was installed, so they started adding additional things in here. Okay, until this is finished and my first restart is required, I can do another thing. I can go to to the OS, to the folder that we have in here. So let me go to this PC first, right click, and in here manage. And what I'm gonna do is to see, okay, we have UTC. We'll leave it on here for now. Well, as you can see, starting installation multiple times. If an error comes, they'll go forward or it will create certain things. I'll pause it again and wait for the things needed to be installed. So after the first restart, they continued automatically to install the needed applications. Okay, the only thing that you need to do is to connect the RDP to the machine and wait for it to continue. So the installation is still in progress, so it took some time, so we need to wait. So now I have one error from the, as you can see on screen. So what I can try again, I can reload it, but it will not give me this, so I will abort and it should continue from that point. Usually 95%, at least 95% of the applications that are in Commando VM are installed automatically. Others, you can install them manually after that. As you can see, after the restart and so on with that command, it started to continue the installation for products that are not installed. For the ones that are in there, it's gonna tell you that config already in there. and after that, yeah, we'll continue from last prompt that was not successful. They will try everything until that point, and you need to wait for it. Okay, abort if this error appears to you. Again, abort, and it will continue with the next program. And restart it again. Okay, as you can see in here in the backend, yeah, we have changed. Yeah, it was changed at the background, so that means it is up to date, the installation to it. Okay, so now what we can do, we can go and we can give another try, maybe to update the this installation. Yeah, so to do that, you can go to the page, yeah, of Commando VM, or you can go on learn OCI cloud. Commando. Okay, how to deploy IMF Microsoft Windows Stack VM, and at the end it is the command, yeah, this one, and you can use it to update it to latest version. Okay, and it will start also to the update of the, yeah, all software that was installed on this machine. So congratulations, you have Commando VM installed on your machine, so you can start playing with attacks in OCI. Thank you for watching.